Here. Young comrade.
I made
here,
140
stop,
bucks.
Stop. Gift from me to you. Now, as you can see, as you can see, I'm broke. I have $51. I am not E-boy bald. I'm E-boy broke. So, well,
I got 42K.
well, yeah, this kid's
Got the
just
ice on my
like-
wrist. I'm rich, so.
Damn! Oh my god! Yo, hold on. Yo, look over there, Look, it's really cool. Oh my god. Okay, tell them what we're doing today, cause I'm not sure.
We're gonna go into
I'm gonna
mines.
leave it up to him. Okay, we're going to mines.
We're gonna go into mines. We're gonna find the craziest thing we can find, and then we're gonna take a rift and come back home.
I can't get anything.
Alright, bet.
Besides the most expensive thing, in here. Young comrade, look at this. 1, 2, 3, come out here.
I bet.
This stick break in 2 hits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This stick is too overpowered. This stick used to break
I'm
within
about
5
to die,
minutes.
bro.
I'm
at 1%.
I cannot do the What really? We're starting off with this. You know what? Okay.
Yeah, I don't have any
Dude,
other
so
more bags.
When I died, my crowbar. Look, just follow me. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You walk like this with your crowbar. It's like you're playing that one game. You know that one game?
Oh yeah, that one game. Oh yeah, that
Where you
one
try,
game.
like-
Yeah, that one game where you
Yeah.
have to do that one quest and that one thing, you know. And there was that one monster. And that one VR game that was like that $1.
It's actually not a VR game. I think I've seen someone play it as a VR game.
Come
It's
on,
called-
dude! I have a knot in my back and it hurts so bad.
Oh, we're dead. No, we're not. I'm just kidding. He's just a spider. Where is he? Oh. He went spider.
Oh yeah. Okay, wait. Where's the heart one? Cause I need the heart.
I don't know. I
Dude, you
didn't
killed
pick it
me!
up.
Plug.
And I'm gonna get your backpack. Say there's a spider! What do I do?
There'll be a spider right on my booty. Yo, I'm back. Where are you?
How'd you know your way back here? Alright, take it back.
I not be stupid. At least, why is he floating? A brother's floating in the air.
In the air. I can't see him though.
Dude,
'cause
he's right
I don't know
here.
what.
Is that me? Dude, that's me. Hello,
Oh.
little comrade. Oh, I have such a bad knot in my back.
Oh. Shaya. It does my jewel. Oh, I got a jewel from it.
I got a
jewel
shield.
from
I
it.
got a shield.
Yo.
Hey, little comrade.
I'm gonna hit the spider web. Haha.
Hey, little comrade. He's right there. Ah, get over here.
He is dead.
Boom. Ah, boom.
Oh, crossbow. Can I launch the flashlight?
I farted.
Wait, what? Can I launch the flashlight? Can you
What?
launch the
Yes, you can.
flashlight? Watch.
Come,
Yeah, no.
come this way. Hey,
Hold
little,
up, bro. That's kind of funny.
hey, little comrade, come this way.
Yo, that's so funny.
Let's
Perfect.
take one of me and you. It has no me in the picture. I know I said
see
this
the rift.
before, but I'll say it again. I'm stopping with the accent. I'm putting into it now.
That's enough brewski for the day.
Let's go home.
Oh crap.
Hey, brother.
Come on up.
Let's sell the stuff. Pour everything in there.
Oh my.
Yo, I'm gonna get us a big backpack. Bag here. Where are
Oh, fire.
you? Yo, look! Dude, I'm flying away!
Oh crap.
Dude! Jackson, look up! I fly
Hey,
away.
yo. Oh, there goes some dynamite.
Hey, little comrade, I on the floor. Let me see
Wait,
crowbar.
can I-
Let me see the crowbar, dude. Give me the damn crowbar.
Yo. What's it called? What was I gonna say? Grab a flash. Wait, can I put the glow thing on mine?
Hold on. Little comrade, I need El crowbar.
I can get you one. Do you have
Thank
cash?
you. I have 127.
Oops, nope.
Spink you, little comrade. Alright, I'm actually stopping with it now. It's getting annoying.
Yeah.
Dude, I feel like an
Alright,
old person
so-
right now. I'm like, while I'm running with my long arm because I'm trying to like get the knot out. It hurts so bad, dude.
And I'm slow in this game. I can't move in this game. For the life of me.
We maneuver
There's
over
nothing
here.
anymore.
Yo, Jax. Oh, he fell. That's copper.
Way at the bottom. Come down to the bottom. I see your light. Let's go into the second tunnel.
Whoa, that
What
made
was
me.
that? Wait, where's my
It's over here.
crowbar?
Right here.
Oh, I was gonna say. Yo!
I kill you.
Stop! Don't kill! Don't kill! Don't kill!
No, kill. Yo, come here fast.
happened?
Dude, there's a rock monster in here. Do you have dynamite?
Yeah?
Alright, come on. No. Okay, I'm gonna touch the spiderweb, okay? Be ready to kill.
Do I launch a
Be ready
Can I
to kill
launch
him.
a dynamite on it?
No, it's fine. Oh, bet, I got another crowbar. Alright, come on this way. I kill.
Here, I might just eat this.
Come on. There's a rock monster over here, I'm pretty sure.
So why are we going
Yo,
towards...
he's back
said
here.
rock
He's back there. But there's also a lot of...
Can I shoot him with dynamite?
Hold on.
No, leave him be, leave him be.
No, he would kill us, so I'm killing him. Got him. What's this thing? Ah! Ah! It caught me off guard. We go killy.
Have fun with... Watch out, there's dynamite! Dynamite!
Why did you do that?
I was gonna kill him with the dynamite.
You could have warned me that you were going to throw any in the first place.
I didn't throw any, I shot.
Come on, this way.
Oh crap. I spawned him again, I think. This game is pretty fire.
Yes.
No!
E-boy bald. Yes.
E-boy Bob, I might have accidentally shot my crowbar into the abyss over there.
Over where? Over this way?
I don't know, genuinely.
We
Nah,
jumped
it
down.
kind of just...
Oh, gold! Ugh.
I didn't know you meant those way.
Yo, dude, it's over here. It's right here. Dude, it's right here.
Okay. I have a zero.
Yo, put a dynamite down. Put a dynamite down right here.
Oh, that works.
Dude, I just tried to fart, and I almost peed myself.
Here, I just gotta...
Oh wait, never mind, never mind.
No, I'll put it down.
Well, then you're gonna need to put it down up there. Here, give it to me and I'll put it down up there.
It's right there.
Okay, let it go, little combat.
Stop hitting me, bro. I'm almost dead. Oh my god. Hey! I didn't film that in my bag.
Yeah.
Here, you mine everything? I'll just pick it all up.
Hey, little comrade, where did your crowbar go?
It was attached to the grappling gun that you just threw it.
Right there. Little comrade. Alright, I told you I was gonna stop, and now I'm stopping again.
Stopping what?
With the accent.
No, too much work.
I am no lazy man.
Keep losing my weapon. What the heck?
Yo, I found another weird glow stick.
Yeah, boy.
Wait, where's my bag? Is it on me? Oh, yeah.
Let's go mine the rest of the gold.
In here. On my back. Oh my god, that is an unpleasant feeling.
God, I had
Yeah, me too. No, I'm also full. Is he back?
Yeah, he's back. He's ready.
Okay, hold on. Yo, come back here. Come back here. Yo, we're gonna go find a spider web and tap it.
4K.
My god. I'm going to use the bathroom in my pants. Yo, what's this? It's a box. Alright, you know what? Let's just head back. Yo, let's go find a rift.
You need to stop with the accent.
You sound French. Yo, you know 12% of the people that watch my videos are from India?
12% are from India.
Yeah.
Oh my god. God is loud. No, I want my bag. I want my bag. Actually, no. No, wait. I want my crowbar. Good.
I go pee-pee in my pants.
Shout out to the 12 people watching your videos.
Yes. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day. Have a good rest of your night. Make sure to go down below and like and subscribe. Anything you'd like to add? Damn. Hold on. Now you gotta do it like this. Okay. Bye-bye. Hold on. Wee.